Hello, hi, good evening. Today we are going to discuss about the versions of Navisworks or kinds of Naviswork application from Autodesk. So here, if you are searching in Google the versions of Navisworks, then you will see this image. So what does it mean? So let me open any one of the image so that we'll understand better. Okay. So you can see here three Naviswork versions every architect and engineer must know. Actually, this is a type of application, not just a version, because we say 2015 is a version, 16 is a version, 17 is a version, so that we should call this as the types of uh, Naviswork. So we have Naviswork Manage, and Naviswork Manage software is available for students. You can also buy. This is a full version of Navisworks. In case if you want to buy Navisworks, then the price will go more than 1.6 lakh in Indian rupees. In case if you don't have that much money, if you want to reduce the expenses, then you can go for Navisworks simulation. Navisworks simulator, that's a second type. In Naviswork Manager, we can do class detection, timeliner, that means the project schedule, quantification, Autodesk rendering, animator, scripter, appearance profiler, and batch utility. Then we have compare option. We also have Vim 360 glue and viewpoint option. Okay, so the same tools will be available in Navisworks Simulate software also, but it will not have class detection tool. I have an image. I can show you the image. Let me open it. Okay, so here I have an image. So this is what the Navisworks simulate. So here you can see we have a timeliner tool, quantification, presenter tool, animator, sculptor, appearance profiler, batch utility, and compare tool. But we don't have class detection tool in simulate. In Navisworks simulate, you can do simulation and quantification, but you can't do class detection. Okay, so majorly we need Navisworks for class detection and coordination. Okay, so if you need a Navisworks for class detection and coordination, then you need Navisworks full version, that is Navisworks Manage. In case if you want to take quantification and if you want to just review the design, then you can do in Navisworks Simulate. So we have viewpoint here and we have a review option also. So you can do markups and you can share it with your team. If you use Simulate, you can do the markups and the reviews, and you can also take a quantity. You can do the schedule. You can simulate your project, but you can't do the class detection. So this is about Navisworks Simulate. Okay, the third type of Navisworks is Navisworks Freedom. Navisworks Freedom software is free. It's a file viewer. Okay, it's so with the Navisworks Freedom, you can't create a file or you can't edit a file. You can't create a new viewpoint. You can't do any review markups, but you can view the markup. You can view all the viewpoints, and it's basically just a viewer. Okay, so you can't save the file, but you can just see what is available in the file. So that is Navisworks Freedom. I already have Freedom in my computer. So I'm opening it. I will show you how Naviswork Freedom will look like. Okay, so this is Navisworks Freedom, and let's open any sample project, or I can create a new project. Okay, so this is a blank screen, same like Navisworks full version. And here you can see in the home, we don't have an option to append the file or creating a new file. And we can't save the file. We can't save the file. We can only create new, and we can open the file. We can't save the file. So here we can just run the timeliner, and we can review. We can also see the viewpoint, but we can't create a viewpoint. So you can see here, so this is a sample project. You can view the project. Here you can see, you can view the project. You can go through each viewpoint, entrance, ground level. You can also play the animation. Basically, this is a review software. You can print, but you can't create, and you can't edit any file, and you can't do save as or save a file in a Navisworks Freedom. Okay, I hope now you have a better idea about Navisworks um, software types. Okay, so we have Navisworks Manage in the left side, and we have the Navisworks Freedom in the right side. I hope now you have a better idea about these three type of Navisworks. Navisworks Manage, that's a full version of Navisworks. Navisworks Simulation is a limited version of Navisworks. Navisworks Freedom is a free software, and it's a read-only application. You can read the file, but you can't create the file, or you can't do any edit or update in the file. Okay, so if you want to learn Navisworks, learn the full version. The full version has all the tools. Once you learn all the tools in a Navisworks Manage, you can do the same task in Navisworks Simulate also, and in the Freedom also. The difference between Navisworks Manage and Simulate is class detection capability. Navisworks full version has the class detection capability, but Simulate will not have it. And Navisworks Freedom will not have the class detection or simulation options. That's just a software to view the file. I hope now you understand Navisworks Manage and Navisworks Simulate. Okay, in case if you have any doubt, please let me know. I will try to explain you better. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.